The second guideline for proper strategic control is integrating control with planning. Integrate control with planning. These are very important guidelines. Integrate control with planning. Integrate control with planning by first of all building controls into the plan. Build controls into the plan. Build controls into the plan. Control mechanisms should be designed and implemented as part of the strategic planning process, not as an afterthought. So you have to integrate controls with the planning by building controls into the plan. You may also establish clear standards. Establishing clear standards. Establish clear standards. You can integrate control mechanisms with planning by establishing clear standards. Performance standards used for control should be directly derived from the strategic goals and objectives that are outlined in the plan. Then lastly, you need to ensure mutual understanding. You have to ensure that there is mutual understanding. The stakeholders should understand how their roles and their responsibilities contribute to the achievement of strategic goals and how their performance will be measured. That's very important. That is the second guideline.